Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic Class. Me Fa Ahmad Arabic Coach. Continue to foundation course of Arabic curriculum in Gulf countries and other beginners and for other beginners. So, I hope you might have watched uh, from part number 1 till part number 16. Okay, how to read and how to write Arabic. It is part number 17. In part number 17, we will learn sun letter and moon letters. So sun letters and moon letters. Okay. So how to read sun letter, how to read moon letter is very important for Arabic reading. Very important for Arabic reading. So first see, first we know article. Okay. This is article the. So I thick pen, I write red pen. Article the. So article the. So article the in Arabic. Article the in Arabic is al. Okay, al. This is al. Article the. Okay. First see article the. First see article the al. This is al, right? This is al. Okay, it is article the al. Sound is al. So I write here sound al. Al. Sound is al. Okay, so article the in Arabic is al. Sound al. So first see examples with article the, yani al. Okay, I write here some words. For example, here is word is qalam. Qalam. Now prefix. Now prefix article the al. So prefix al. Al. Okay, prefix al. Okay, so is equal to al, right? Al qalam. Al qalam. Al qalam. Al qalam means now is the pen. So prefix the qalam is a verb and prefix al article the. So and now join together al qalam. Al qalam, it means the pen. So now meaning is the pen. Okay, the pen meaning is the pen. Okay, the pen. Al qalam. Okay, so let's see other example. Let's see other example. Al qalam. Okay, now here is what is walad. Walad is boy. Walad. Walad. Okay, and prefix al article the, right? Now is equal to, now join together al walad. Al walad. Okay, al walad. So this article, this article al, this article al, here I joined, right? I joined here, right? Al walad, the boy. The meaning is the boy. So meaning is the boy. The boy. Okay, the boy. And notice here we are reading al walad. Okay, al walad. Now next word. This is what is sayyara. Sayyara means car. Sayyara. Sayyara. Sayyara is shadda. Sayyara. And here is put article the al. Al. Okay. Now join together. Join together. Okay. See, it's very important. Now see. Join together. Okay. Now here as-sayyara. 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 No, notice. Please notice. Here we read al-walad. Al-walad means we read lam. Here we read lam, al walad, but here we don't read lam. We are not reading al sayyara, we read as sayyara. So we skip lam, we don't read lam. As sayyara, as sayyara. Okay, so it is sun and moon letter. Why? Here in this word we read lam al walad because this word starts with moon letter. Okay, and here as sayyara we don't read lam because this word start with sin, sun letter. This word start with sun letter. So what is the rule? What is the rule? Understand, please understand what is the rule. If word start with moon letter, we will read lam, like al walad, like al walad. We will read lam. If word start with sun letter, like sin, so we don't read lam, like as sayyara, no al sayyara. I hope you got it. Clear? Clear? And one more thing. One more thing. If we don't read lam, so we read sun letter, double, as sayyara, right? As sayyara. So we don't read lam, in sun letter, but sun letter we read sun letter double, as sayyara, right? So here sin will receive shadda, means double sound, as sayyara. So don't read lam, but sun letter, but read sun letter double, as sayyara. Okay, so here is as, one scene as, then say sayyara, then say sayyara, sayyara. Okay, sayyara, sayyara. Okay, as sayyara, as sayyara. Okay, clear? So what is the rule? What is the rule? If you prefix al, okay, and word start with moon letter, so read lam, like al walad, like al walad, because waw is moon letter. If you prefix al, article, and word start with sun letter, like sin, so don't read lam, so here is not al sayyara, here read as sayyara. Clear? Got it? I hope you got it, you understood. Okay, now, so first we will give you is list of sun letter and list of moon letter. Okay, so 14 letters are moon and 14 letters are sun. Okay, so in sun letter you read lam, and in sorry, in moon letter you read lam, in sun letter you don't read lam. Clear? So first let's see list of moon letter and list of sun letter. 14 letters are moon and 14 letters are sun. Okay, now, so first is remove it. Okay, I give here sun letter, I give here first moon letter list. Okay, so I write here moon letter, moon letters list. This is a list of moon letter. So this is a list of moon letter. Okay, moon letter. So this is a list of moon letters. So it's a big yes. Okay, moon letters, and here right is sun letter. List of sun letter. 1 minute. And here right is sun letter. Sun. Okay, here is sun letters. Okay, so moon letter and sun letter I give list. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so sun letters and moon letters I write here is moon and sun. Okay, first is a is increase this. Okay, so moon letters and sun letters I give you list. First write it, moon letters. Okay, alif, ba, jim, alif, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain, ain, ghain. Okay, now continue. Fa, qaf, kaf, mim, waw, ha. Okay, kaf, mim, waw, ha, and ya. Last letter. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 14 letters are moon. It means what starts with moon letter, you will read lam. As I as I as I as I shown, right, as I have shown you in example, in previous example. Okay, if word starts with moon letter, you will read lam, like al walad. Okay, as I have shown you in previous example. Okay, got it? Now then I give list of sun letter. First, ta, sa, ta, sa, dal, zal, ra, ra, za, sin, and sheen. Sin, sheen. Okay, now sod, dod, ta. Okay, za, ta, za, lam, lam, noon. Okay, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so now remember. So here is, now remember here. So here is 14 letters are moon. Okay, and here is 14 letters are sun. Now what is rule? What is rule? I explain again. What is rule? If you prefix al, article the al, if you prefix al, as I have shown you in previous example, I say again. Okay, if you prefix al, okay, and the word start with moon letter, you will read lam. Again I write example. Like al walad. See, al walad, al walad. See, al walad. Okay, here the word is walad, and you prefix here lam, alif lam. Okay, you prefix here alif lam, article da. So you read lam, you read this lam. Why? Because this word start with moon letter. Wow is moon. See here, see here, wow is moon letter. Wow is moon letter. So you will read lam, you will read lam, al walad. Clear? Clear? I hope you might have understood clearly. Done. Now other example. So remove it. Okay, now let's see example. of sun, of sun letter. See, sun letter. So these are sun letter. So these are sun letter, sun letter. Again, if you prefix, al and the word start with sun letter, you don't, you will not, read lam. Okay, and further, you read sun letter double, right? Okay, let's example. Let's example. For example, is word start with sun letter. Okay, here is I write word is tamar. Tamar means no dates, fruit, dates. See, I write here tamar. See, tamar. This ta. Okay, this ta is, see here sun letter. Okay, so we prefix al. Okay, the word is tamar. The word is tamar, and the word start with ta. Here is ta, right? Ta, sun letter. The word start with ta, sun letter, and you prefix al. So you will not read lam. You will not read lam. You will not read lam. Okay, you will read, sun letter double, at-tamar. So I put here shadda. It means you will read sun letter double, but don't read lam. So here, don't read al-tamar, at-tamar. Skip lam, at-tamar, and sun letter, read sun letter double, at-tamar, at-tamar. Okay. So now remember, now practice to read, okay, uh, uh, with caring of moon letter and sun letter. Okay. So I hope you might have understood properly what is sun letter, what is moon letter, and how to read sun letter, how to read moon letter, and what is article the, al. What is article the? In Arabic, it is al. It is al. Okay, this is list of moon letter, right side, and left side, this is list of sun letter. Okay, so inshallah in next class, okay, we will try to read a paragraph with caring of sun letter and moon letter and long vowel and short vowel and shadda and sukoon. Okay, we will apply all vowel sign. In next paragraph, we try to read how to read Arabic properly. Okay, in next session, inshallah. Okay, so I hope today you might have understood what is sun, what is moon, and how to read it. How to read it. Okay, thanks for watching. I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic Class. Ma salama. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.